Several Avery card products have the option to print on both sides, such as business cards, tags, postcards, and more. Today, we will show you how to print on both sides using Avery business cards, although the instructions are the same for all of our card products. Once you've designed your cards in Design and Print Online, you're ready to print. Click on the Preview and Print tab at the top or the Preview and Print button at the bottom right. This will provide a view of the entire sheet. Click Back of Sheet to see the other side. Many of our products can be professionally printed using our Avery WePrint service. We'll be printing these business cards ourselves, so we will click Print it yourself. Now there are additional print options on the right side. Since we are printing on both sides of the card, we will want to select the option to print front and back of sheet. Now we will click Get PDF to print. We will be prompted to save our design, and we'll choose to save it to our free Avery account. This way, we can easily edit or print again at a later time from any device. Next are some printing tips for the specific browser being used. Be sure to follow them carefully for best print results. We're using Google Chrome, so we can select Open PDF, and the PDF will open in a separate browser window. Click the print icon at the top right and choose the printer. We strongly recommend printing the front and back of the card separately using the manual feed tray to ensure the most accurate print results. You can try printing both sides of your cards at once, but we found that the back side may misalign when the printer refeeds the sheet. So here's how to print one side at a time. Change the pages to Custom and choose to print page 1, which is the front of the cards. Click on More Settings to make sure the paper size is set to 8.5 by 11 inches and that the scale is set to Custom and 100. This next step is very important. Since we are printing on a thicker card product, we want to make sure we can select a cardstock or heavyweight option for the best printing quality. Click on Print using System dialog to select the thicker paper type. These options are usually under Preferences or Properties. If you don't see these options, please check with your printer manufacturer since this can vary depending on the make and model of your printer. We recommend making a test print on plain paper first to make sure that it will line up with the cards. Mark a plain sheet of paper with the words front and back on each side with an arrow pointing up. Pay attention to how the printer feeds and how to flip the paper to print properly on both sides. Once we confirm that the front side prints correctly, we will click on the printer icon again and refeed the test sheet to print on the back side. We will change the pages to Custom and print page 2 for the back. If both sides align with the Avery cards, we can now feed the cardstock and repeat the previous steps to print the front and back side of the card separately. If we were printing several sheets of our business cards, we would print all the front sides first, then all the back sides. Usually with thick cardstock, it's best to feed the pages one at a time using the manual feed tray. If you have additional questions, contact our care team or visit avery.com/help. Thank you for using genuine Avery products.